Okay, let us start the class. In today's class, we are going to understand the remaining part of your tuples. Okay, already in the previous classes, I have tried to brief about the lists and tuples. Somewhat remaining topics we will discuss tuples. So as I told you that these are very free classes conducted every thrice of a week, 3 days of a week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. On programming languages to enhance the programming skills and English communication skills. Apart from that, some students requested me that, sir, you are conducting the classes for the programming classes. So if I studied only 10th and 10 plus 2, so is there any future for us? I don't want to pursue further studies. Okay, so I think that, okay, then I felt that I need to give somewhat support to explore the job opportunities. It doesn't matter whether engineering 0 to hero. 0 to means 10th class, he has studied only the 10th class, but there is any vacancies in job opportunity. Yeah, that's why I started to provide them career guidance in programming, that is what, in job opportunities, so that whatever the career guidance I have started to provide them. Okay, so many job opportunities I have explored in different fields, in railway recruitment board, in defense, paramilitary forces. So I kept all that in YouTube as videos, so you can watch them. And even though if you have studied only 10th class, and you have the jobs, understand. Especially Agniveer Vayu in Air Force. Okay, registration date started on, that is what, on 17th January, and the registration process will be ended at the 06 February 2024. So minimum age limit is 21. Okay, plus 2 science stream, otherwise non-science stream. Height, in especially in Air Force, whomever feel that they are very short, short of height, means only 2 feet they are, 5 feet they are having. 5 feet means 150 centimeter above. So in Air Force, 152.5 centimeter is sufficient for male. For women category, 152 centimeter. Okay, so everything I have kept. Okay, registration started Agniveer, Air Force, and these are for what, jobs in Indian Navy, Staff Selection Commission, and 10 plus 2 based exam. This is UPSC, Assistant Commandant in Officers category in all paramilitary forces, BSF, CSF, CRPF, ITBP, like that. So bank jobs, minimum qualification degree. For this UPSC, you need to check back everything. Here bank jobs I have created as assistants. Okay, next is what, so you need to look back all the opportunities whatever I have created here. So as I told you that, okay, central government job under Home Ministry, this is what, for paramilitary forces, 10th class requirement as a GD constable. Okay, this is for central government job, JSA, Junior Secretariat Assistant Lawyer, 10 plus 2. So like that, today I am going to explore, after this class, no, I will brief about, after this programming or Python class, I will make some what videos which are related with the railway recruitment board, assistant loco pilot. Okay, and then Indian Oil Corporation, Bank of Baroda manager post. So okay, one is that UP, that is UP board. Okay, one board is there, UP PBRB, recruitment date extended up to January 20. So I will discuss after this class. So I will support for all of you to get the notifications of job notifications. So you watch them and apply for the. Don't discourage, yes sir, I studied only 10th class. So sir, I don't want to study further, sir, then what should I do, sir? No, don't worry. Even the 10th class you have the job, 10 plus 2 you have the job, graduation there is a job. I will explore all the details and study them. Okay, now we will discuss. If you have any doubt, call me on my number 911039865. So now come to the point. Today we will finish the topics which are related with the tuples. So now if how to check a item in a tuple, whether that item is present or not in that tuple. We need to check back that. Okay, we need to check back that. How to check back? First of all, create a tuple. Where is one tuple we have created? Suppose within this tuple, this is tuple 1. Okay, now if you want to find any Vasu is here, simply you write here TK. If statement, if Vasu is a string, na? So you need to represent string in double quotation or string. Vasu in where? In tup1. Tup1 is a tup1. Next, now print yes. Yes means yes is a what? This is a string. Okay, now see, yes, Vasu is there. Now click on this button. So let us check back what will be the result. So here there is no any yes here. So why? Because Vasu here you have represented as a string. There is no any space you have given. Okay, if you give space, it will not accept this one. Print yes. Understand? Yes means why? Because Python interpreter looks this tuple 1, looks this tuple 1. Where is that tuple 1? For this Vasu string, whether it is, if it is a Vasu string is there, so it will give yes. Otherwise no. Else means else. Otherwise else. Print no. Okay, no is a string here. No is a string. Okay, run this. Syntax error. Why syntax? We will check back that. Why syntax error? Syntax error? What? That you are not following the rules. So as a programmer, you must understand what is the syntax. Syntax error here it is indicating that. So print, after print statement you have kept. So it is clearly mentioning that one is that this mark. So after print statement, no any dot. Okay, now you run this code. So you are getting yes. Why yes? Vasu is in tup1. So if you give space, so it will give no. Why no? Because your Vasu, this is a string, but if you give any white space, then as per that white space you need to, now it will give yes. It will give no. Why no? You are how many spaces you have given. Okay, this is Vasu string, you want to check. Here Vasu string tup1, there is no any space here. So that's why it is stating that not matching. Okay, if you change this one, then you will get yes. Okay, that is called to check back what if any string, any value is in tuple. Multiple conditions if you want to check. So if after that one more condition you write else elif. Elif means if one statement is true, then it will print. Otherwise next, if it is, the statement is wrong, it goes for next statement. Elif Vasu. Okay, elif Vasu, and two values we want to check. And operator I want to use. Was apart from Vasu tup1 40. Okay, so now and 40, then print yes. Otherwise no. Okay, that is what. Let us check back that what is happening here. So here what is happening, try to understand.